How to compress video without losing quality on mobile. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Google Photos on your device. Now tap on your profile. Now tap on Backup. Now tap on Settings. Now select Backup Quality and select Storage Saver. Tap on Select and go back. Now upload the video. Now after the videos are uploaded, select the video. Now swipe up. Now tap on Delete from device. Tap on Delete. Again swipe up and tap on Download. As you can see, it's reduced to 6.7 MB from 32 MB. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.